Hello all! Have you ever seen a lava coming out from a volcano? Let's try it out through a simple experiment. All we need is a transparent tumbler, a plate, a tissue paper as a control of error, a cup of water, a cup of food color, we have taken red color, a filler, some oil, scissors and an effervescent tablet. So let's start. Pour 3/4 of the tumbler with oil like this. Fill the remaining part of the tumbler with water. Allow the water to settle down at the bottom of the tumbler. Add around 10 to 12 drops of food color with the help of the filler. Allow the food color to settle at the bottom of the tumbler. Take an effervescent tablet and gently drop inside the tumbler and carefully observe what happens. Look at those water bubbles coming up. Wow! Look at that colored lava oozing out. Isn't it really amazing? I hope everyone will try this out using different food colors. That's all for today. Thank you. See you soon.